tell you about the craft that'll be waiting for you at the library this week. So, it is this turkey craft. You can make your very own turkey, and you can take this and make a turkey body and glue on all the turkey feathers and a turkey eyeball and a turkey beak and a turkey waddle, and you can draw on wings or feet, or you can scribble on it and such. But the important thing here is that if you do choose to put on feathers, you can draw little pictures of things that you're thankful for. And parents, you can help them with this. I drew pictures of things that I'm thankful for on each of my feathers. So I drew a picture of my friends. I drew a picture of a comic book speech bubble because I really like comics. I drew a picture of my handwriting because I really like writing. I drew a picture of music. I drew a picture of glasses because without my glasses I couldn't see. And I drew a picture of a book because I really, 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 really like books. I am thankful for all of these things. They make my life better because they're in my life. So, yeah, this is what I have. And in the kit that is waiting for you at the library is a piece of brown paper that you can use to make a handprint. Trace your hand, but keep all your fingers together because it'll work better that way. There will also be cutout feathers, cutout beak, a cutout waddle, and an eyeball. You will need to supply your own scissors, pens, or markers, or anything you want to use to decorate your turkey, a piece of paper to glue it onto, and yes, glue. A glue stick works fine. If there are still leaves around, you could forget about the feathers and glue autumn leaves on instead, because autumn leaves are all the colors of turkey feathers already, but it's kind of getting wet out, so you might not have any good leaves around. But if you do, bonus! Okay, and that will be waiting for you here at the library. Parents, discuss with your kids what you're each thankful for. Ask them what they're thankful for, and tell them a story about something you're grateful for in turn. When children hear stories told aloud, they're learning about story structure, which will help them figure out what's going on in what they're reading when they're learning to read.